Good morning. This is a video that we wanted to make on handcuffs, and I have one here that is cut away, and you can see the spring in there that makes this thing work, and there's a lever there, and it does have a safety lock, so you press that button right there and you can lock it twice, and I'll go ahead and do that and show the operation of this thing. Press that in. And if you try to turn the key to the right, let me get the key in there. And it fits kind of tight. Let's see, let's use this other key they got for it. There, it went down in there. If you try to turn that to the right, it's double locked so that it will let this piece rotate just a little bit, but it won't let it go all the way down because it's got a slide bar there. So to unlock this, it's double locked. You just turn it to the left, and what that does is push that thing out of the way, and then you turn it back to the right, and it lets it open. So what we're going to do, we're just going to show a couple things here. We're going to lock it. I'm not going to double lock it. I wanted to show a couple ways to get this thing open, and one of them is to slide, and I'm using a tension wrench from Southward, and it comes in a thing that looks like a pair of a knife, and it's got some lock picks in there too. But you put this thing in, and you slide it in this direction. Get it in the right place there. And it's kind of tough, so it may tighten the vice or the handcuffs up just a little bit. And I seem to be all thumbs this morning, but anyway, let me make sure it's in the hole there. There we go. But you slide that in, and what you're looking for is to push that one lever up like that, and you can see right now it is up, and so you hold on to this, and then you just pull the handcuffs, slide them right out over the tension wrench. Now you can also put this in and come in from the other direction, and when you come in from the other direction, you're going to hit that one piece that rotates, and you got to get it up because there'd be an actual arm in there, and you just push up on it, and let me rotate it. I think I had it rotated right. You push up on that, and it should let it rotate out like that. But that's one way to open it. I'll tighten it back up there. The other way is I took a heavy-duty paper clip, and you bend it. You can put it in like the hole there and actually bend it. So what you do is you go in, and I'm trying to pick this. Now I'm picking this with both hands free. If you were actually handcuffed and had to do this, it would be a lot more difficult. And so what you're doing, you're shoving that down in there, and you're trying to get that thing to turn, if I can keep it in there. And let's see if we can get it to work here. When you're trying to do stuff on camera or on video, it sometimes is more difficult than it looks. And you keep turning that. You keep turning it. There, I picked it up right there, and you can see it let go of it. So there's two ways that you can do that. You can come in with a paper clip, and I tried it with regular lock picks. I couldn't get it to work. Or you can use a tension wrench, or I've seen somebody done it with a bobby pin. They took the ends off of the bobby pin, and they come in from either direction. If you come in from this direction, it will tend to tighten the handcuffs up as you slide that in, because it's not much distance between there and the teeth of the handcuffs. If you come in from the other direction, you're eliminating a lot of the distance between there. All you got to do is basically avoid poking the person's hand, and you come in and you push up on that. If you can get it to push up, and then you can just move it out like that. So that wraps this one up. We have another one we'll do with regular handcuffs. You won't be able to see in there, but we'll show that and do it twice or do some of the same things we done on this one. So that pretty well ends it. Give us a thumbs up if you like this. I asked my son if he had done anything on handcuffs, and he didn't think he had, so we thought we would show some handcuff techniques. And this is quite a movement from doing combination safe locks, but we do this and put it up and see if you guys like it. If you do, give us a thumbs up. Thank you, and we'll talk to you later on.